is it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here on this channel, you're able to get YouTube tips, beauty tips, and a little bit of my crazy, and that you do not want to miss any at all. To catch up on the little bit of crazy, join us every Friday right here on this channel at 5 p.m. Central and 6 p.m. Eastern. Right here on this channel that you do not want to miss any at all, every Friday afternoon. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a little tea. Guess what, guys? Come closer. I have the tea. I'm so excited about this. I don't know if you have ever heard of YouTube Shorts. If you have, or if you have never heard about the YouTube Shorts, you need to stick around for this entire video. Are you ready for the video? If you are, I am too, so let's get into it. What is YouTube Shorts? Now, this YouTube Shorts, it have just been released probably about 2 to 3 weeks there ago, or might be a month, but it was not open to everybody. It was only open to some markets or some regions. With the YouTube Shorts, you're able to film and upload short videos just like you would do on TikTok. The videos, they must be less than 60 seconds. Now, these videos, they are going to be placed in the YouTube featured section, which deals directly and only with YouTube Shorts videos. In that area, you are going to be seeing many other videos as well, and also YouTube will be pushing out your video so it is able to reach other persons just the same. Who is this good for? This is basically good for persons who want to start their YouTube channel but they are not sure, and they just want to maybe just put a little foot inside the YouTube platform. Or it could also be for persons who are creating contents, but their contents are not very long. They are short, meaning they are like less than the 1 minute video there. So you are able to use that as your building blocks on YouTube. I have done my little research and my little sample there, and in 15 minutes I was really and truly pleased to the amount of traffic which was driven to that one little video there. And that video, it was about 8 seconds. Yes, it was 8 seconds, and I was very pleased the moment it went up, the amount of persons who went to look on it. It's not a lot of persons, but you know me and my crazy already. Right, so that actually pulled a little bit of traction there to my channel. Also, guys, why I do love this, and I think that it is a great move for us as content creators, is that persons who want to say build a little teaser for their video, you're able to do that. And also, if you want to say you're not able to upload a lengthy video for a week, you can always just go ahead and just do something very short and just put that on your channel as well. So that is why I love it, and I think I'm going to be working this a little bit more. I'm also going to be linking my little snippet which I did up there. It was one of my videos which I had on TikTok, and then I just said, you know what, let me just go ahead and just throw it on over there to see what happens. Okay, so you might be wondering, Ali, how do I go about in uploading my short video? Okay, all you have to do is just to go through the same route in which you would go when you are putting up your YouTube videos. So the same route you would take to upload your videos, go ahead and do that. But in some regions or some markets, when you go to that area where you would click on upload, you will actually see where it says upload shorts videos. So some people will just see the regular upload, and some will see where it says upload short video. The next thing is the length of the video. Make sure it is less than 60 seconds. If it goes over the 60 seconds, it is not considered to be a short video. Another thing which I should add as well pertaining to the length of the video, On my TikTok, the video is actually 9 seconds, but I don't know. Once I put it up on YouTube, I realized it went down to 9 seconds. So just make sure you at least leave a little room there, the 1 second room there, where you are able to have that in case YouTube is going to be taking off the few seconds there. Another thing I must add, in order for it to be considered as a short video, it needs to be recorded vertically. So when we are recording our YouTube videos, we always record horizontally, but now we need to record vertically for the short video. Wow, I'm voguing here. Alright, so in order for it to be a short video, make sure you are recording vertically. Also, do not try to waste your time doing a thumbnail for your short video, because the thumbnail, it is not going to be shown. YouTube is going to take off the thumbnail, and what they're going to do is they're going to be using a screenshot of whichever scene in your video. So just leave it as is. Just upload the video in the vertical way, and that is it. YouTube will just screenshot something from it and then use that as the thumbnail. When you are uploading your video, make sure in the title and also in the description area you put the word shorts. So you're going to have hashtag shorts. That is the way it is going to be tagged and put in the shorts feature, right? Remember, there are many other persons who are there in the shorts features as well. So you would need to push yours in it by using the hashtag shorts. Alright, so remember, that's hashtag shorts. If you don't know what hashtag is, that is the number sign. So it's the number sign shorts, and make sure you have that both in your title and also in your description area. Another thing which I noticed is that with the shorts video, at the bottom, because for my video it had a little writing to the bottom there, but then I realized it was cut off. So it doesn't make sense for you to put any caption or any writing to the bottom of your video. Just leave it as is. Remember, this is something very short, just under 1 minute, so you have to just make sure that you just do it as simple as possible and catchy. Because guess what, guys, when you do this, it will draw persons to your channel, and also there's a little subscribe button there, a little like, and also a unlike, and also a share button. So this will also draw viewers to your channel and also draw persons to subscribe to your channel as well. Now, I don't know if you have been noticing it, but I'm going to show you how you're able to see the shorts. The shorts, they are easier to be found on your mobile device compared to on a desktop. It's very difficult for you to find it, or any at all to find it on the desktop. But on the mobile, it is pretty easy and simple. Now, I'm going to show you how you're able to find the short videos on your mobile device. Now, this is my device, and all you have to do, just go on in, right? When you go in on your mobile device, you are going to scroll up. Oh, Chef Chinny, you shared out someone. Who is it that you... Oh, Chef Chinny, you shared out Beat by Miguel. So, Beat by Miguel, thumbs up, and also thumbs up to you, Chef Chinny. Guys, if you do not follow Chef Chinny and also Beat by Miguel, make sure you go ahead and you follow them. Alright, so all you have to do, just continue scrolling up, and when you do scroll up, you're going to see this here, which says short videos. So these are all the short videos that you see going across there, and all you have to do is just to go and just scroll across, and you will see all of them. All right, so that's it, pretty easy and simple. And then when you click on them, say you click on anyone, I'm trying to see if I see anyone that I do follow, and then I can give them some watch views. No, I'm not seeing anyone that I am already following. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to look for someone and just click on that. So I just went ahead and I clicked on that, and as you can see, it is, oh, that was it. So that was it, World of Africa. And you see the likes, dislike, and then you have the subscribe button there, and then you have more. All right, so that's it, guys. If you haven't already tried this, make sure you go ahead and you check it out. All right, so just on your mobile device, just scroll down until when you see where it says short videos, and then that's it. I'm excited about this, guys, and I am going to be trying it out as well. If you have been using this, let us know if you have been using it and what it have been doing for you. Are you seeing where it's pulling persons to your channel, or is it that it is just there and not working for you? Let us know what are your thoughts on it. And if you have never heard about it and you are going to be trying it, let me know as well in the comment area. I love speaking with you guys in the comment area, so go ahead and just leave me a comment so we can all go ahead and just share with each other there and become good friends and family. All right, so that's it, guys. I hope you learned something from this. You know, every time I learn something or I hear of something new on YouTube, I have to run and give it to you all first. So that's it. So take care, walk good. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying peace, take care, enjoy the rest of your day now. See you in the next video. Bye bye.